Hey, good afternoon everyone. So I just had a gut instinct to turn on my camera and start recording here. And there's someone behind me now, so I'm gonna move. Oh yes, my wastegates are rattling, you guys. I really need new turbos. I just had a gut instinct to put on my GoPro, so I'm doing it, I'm following it. I wanna put on the head strap, we're gonna get a little POV vlog. I think it'll be good. We got some sun. It'll be awesome to get the carbon fiber steering wheel in the sunlight so you guys can see what it's like to drive a 335. It's basically an M3.